All right, Math 7. Today you're doing combining like terms with rational coefficients. Basically what they're trying to tell you is you're doing them with decimals and fractions. So that's what we're doing today. So first one we're going to do is this decimal question right here. And we've got a 4 in front of parentheses, so we have to distribute that 4 to both of these. So we've got to take 4 times 1.75y, which would equal 7y. We need to take 4 times negative 3.5, which equals negative 14. So you'll see I did plus a negative 14. And then I still, on the outside of parentheses, have this plus 1.25y, which is right here. Now, combining like terms, I have a 7y and I have a positive 1.25y. When I add those together, that equals 8.25y, which is right here. I only have the one negative term here, so it's just my negative 14. So the answer is 8.25y minus 14. Now, let's look at the fractions, how we do this one. First thing is, whenever I'm dealing with fractions, I want to get these in order. So I'm going to put the q terms in order, and then I'm going to put the number terms in order. So you can see I just rewrote it. Everything's the same. I just took this portion here, the negative 1/6q, and the positive 5/6q. I put that first. And then I put the positive 11/12 and the negative 1/3 right here, only I wrote it as plus the negative 1/3. Then I need to make sure I have common denominators. Now here's the deal. Anything that has a q term needs a common denominator, and then anything that is just a number by itself needs its own common denominator. So you might notice, well, hey, these already have a common denominator. Correct, so we don't need to do anything with those two. These two, however, need a common denominator. And you might see, hey, 12 could make a good common denominator. I just need to multiply the top and the bottom here by 4 to get there. So let's do that. You'll notice that these two stayed the same. This one stayed the same. We just simply multiplied the 1/3 by 4 and we got the negative 4/12. Now I can do the combining of like terms. If I have a positive 5/6 here and I add a negative 1/6, that negative 1/6 will cancel one of those 5, leaving me with negative, not negative 4/6q. I just realized something. Hey, let's cover that up right now. All right, I just made a mistake. This is what life is about. We make mistakes. This should be a positive 4/6q. There, see how pretty that is now? And when I take the positive 11/12 and I add a negative 4/12, 11 plus negative 4 is positive 7 for right here. So my answer should be, and I think I'll have a mistake on here. Yep, there it is. My answer should be not a negative 2/3, but a positive 2/3 q. Remember that 4/6 could simplify to 2/3 q plus 7/12. And that's how you do those. Guys, good luck on this one. Hopefully you don't make any mistakes like I just did. Have a great day. Bye-bye.